AI Settings tab. Welcome to the AI Settings tab. This is where you configure the AI providers that power the translation, enhancement, and terminology features throughout the TWAS Assistant. Let's start with the Gemini AI provider. First, select your model from the drop-down. We recommend Gemini 2.5 Pro for the best balance of power and cost-effectiveness. Next, paste your Gemini API key into this field. For security, it's masked. If you want the app to remember your key between sessions, check the Store Gemini API key box. You can also make Gemini your default provider for all AI operations by checking this box. Now, let's look at the ChatGPT AI provider. The setup is identical. Select your model, GPT-4. 1 is a great choice. Paste your OpenAI API key here. Again, you can choose to store the key and set ChatGPT as the default provider. The plugin will automatically use the one you've set as default. Finally, let's talk about generation settings. This is controlled by the temperature slider. Think of temperature as a creativity dial. For tasks that require high accuracy and consistency, like translation, you want a low temperature. Set it close to 0. This makes the AI's output more deterministic and faithful. For tasks that need more creativity, like marketing transcreation or brainstorming, you can gradually increase the temperature. A value between 0.4 and 0.8 is a good starting point. As you adjust the slider, you'll see the numeric value update here. For now, we'll leave it at 0 for precise, reliable translations. And that's it. With your providers configured and your temperature set, you're ready to use all the AI-powered features in the plugin.